Hi, it's me. It hasn't actually been 2 weeks. These were planted on the 2nd and it is now the 13th. However, I'm going out of town and I'm unsure how leaving these in the bags longer than 2 weeks would affect it versus taking them out now. So it turns out that this thing is more of a science experiment. It keeps on giving. So, here's what we're gonna do. I have 3 different ways I want to plant this. I just got these new Pico machines, or they're like hydroponic things. How they work is it has a simple wick in here, and then you can daisy chain them. And I got aftermarket longer cords, which is why it looks weird back here. And then so it's a big old mess, but I have my AeroGarden, and what I'm gonna do is 3 of them are just gonna stay in the AeroGarden because I have 3 different types of strawberries, and then I'm gonna finish germinating 3 of them that will eventually go into my hydroponic system. And then we'll see if the Pico, the AeroGarden, or the hydroponic system is ultimately the best way to grow these indoors. So So this is what the Pico look like plugged in. They do give off like a purpley nice light. And this is my only adult living mature strawberry plant, which I thought I was killing because the leaves are turning brown. But it turns out that strawberry plants in the winter, I think they just kind of do that, and then I need to expose it to the cold for a couple of weeks, and then it should rejuvenate and do better, and or it's diseased and it's going to die. I don't know, one or the other. And then this is it's purslane, and it's cute. So yeah, I just need to water these and they'll be good to go. And for comparison, this is what the AeroGarden looks like. It's a bright white light. This is the shortest that it goes. And yeah, the water will turn on every 15 minutes, which at this stage I'm not that worried that in the 2 weeks it won't go through any water. It's basically a closed system at that point.